Samsung is once again moving fast with its software updates, and this time, it might surprise everyone with how early the next version is coming. Reports suggest that Samsung could release the One UI 8.5 beta much sooner than expected, possibly by the end of November 2025. This new update will be the next big step in Samsung's software journey and is already creating buzz among Galaxy users around the world. The final version of One UI 8.5 will likely arrive early next year, possibly alongside the Galaxy S26 series launch. But before that happens, Samsung seems ready to open the beta program so users can test the new features in advance. According to information shared by Sammobile, Samsung plans to roll out the One UI 8.5 beta during the week of November 24th, which is the last week of the month. If this timeline is correct, it means Samsung is improving its speed compared to last year, back in 2024. Samsung released the One UI 7 beta in December, just a few weeks before the Galaxy S25 lineup was announced. Because of that delay, the stable version didn't start rolling out until April 2025. Many Galaxy owners were frustrated by how long they had to wait. This year, however, it seems Samsung has learned from that mistake. The company has improved its internal development system, allowing faster testing and quicker updates. For example, One UI 8, based on Android 16, was officially launched in July 2025 with the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7, just 2 months later. In September, older Galaxy phones started receiving the stable version. This clearly shows that Samsung is now focused on faster, smoother updates across its lineup. While Samsung hasn't officially confirmed anything yet, it's almost certain that any phone running One UI 8 will also get the 8.5 update, since both versions are based on Android 16. But like always, not all users will receive it at the same time. The Galaxy S25 and the upcoming S26 models will probably get the beta first, followed by the stable release later. Older Galaxy models might need to wait a few extra months, as Samsung usually gives newer devices early access. This approach is quite different from how Apple handles its software updates. When Apple launches a new iOS version, like iOS 26, developers get access almost immediately after the announcement, and a public beta follows soon after. Even older iPhones, such as the iPhone 11 from 2019, can join the testing program right away. This quick and polished release schedule gives Apple a strong lead. Samsung, however, appears to be catching up. With One UI 8.5, it seems determined to close the gap by preparing the beta earlier and improving how updates are distributed. This could mark a big step forward for Samsung's software strategy. Now, what new features can we expect from One UI 8.5? Although Samsung hasn't shared the official list yet, several leaks hint at some exciting improvements. One rumored feature is a smarter connection system that can automatically switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data depending on which signal is stronger. This will help users stay connected at all times without interruptions. The camera app is also expected to get new tools and professional controls. Samsung might introduce more advanced shooting options for photography and videography, giving Galaxy users more flexibility to capture creative shots. Another possible upgrade is stronger spam call protection. Samsung may add smarter detection tools that block suspicious or unwanted calls more effectively, making the phone safer and less annoying to use. In terms of design, One UI 8.5 could bring a fresh, cleaner look. Rumors point to smoother animations, refined icons, and a faster, more fluid interface. These visual changes should make using the phone feel even more seamless and modern. Many Galaxy users are also hoping that Samsung will continue to deliver updates faster for older devices. With One UI 8, several mid-range and previous flagship phones received the update within weeks of the Fold 7 and Flip 7, which was impressive. If Samsung keeps that momentum, users with older models won't have to wait long this time. Overall, One UI 8.5 looks like one of Samsung's biggest and most important updates yet. If the beta truly launches in late November and rolls out smoothly, it will prove how much Samsung has improved its update process. With new features, faster performance, and a more polished interface, Samsung is clearly working hard to offer a better software experience. If everything goes according to plan, One UI 8.5 could set a new standard for Samsung's Android updates and put it even closer to matching Apple's reputation for timely and stable software releases.